Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do something a little different. I recently won a competition and also went to an event, so I decided to put everything into one bag, like everything that I've received from it into one bag and just like show you all, because this is gonna be a real good unboxing video, I hope. So what I won was actually from Samsung. Yay! Like, yay! Okay, let's see what's in the bag, shall we? Okay, well, there's two bags. But, ooh! A nice Samsung lanyard. I'm very excited about that. I think that would be very useful. And introducing the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, and they gave me a micro SD card as well, which is really cool. It's a Note 10 Plus. Well, it's not a real Note 10 Plus. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I think that there are some double ups in the bags, so. Okay, here's the second bag. Okay. More of the cute little flyers. These will be really helpful. And I got more pens. Yay! You can never have too many pens, seriously. And yay! Okay, just to show you more clearly as to what it is. That's a bar of chocolate. I have 3 now. That's dangerous. Oh my god. It's the Galaxy S10. And it's in Prism White. I'm in shock. Oh my god. Okay. Cutter. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. Oh wow. Prism White. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Samsung. I'm in shock. In happy shock, but in shock. It's so pretty. Well, that is my unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye guys. Oh, I can't wait to start using this. Thank you so much for watching. So you can check out some more videos right now, right there. Do you see them? Also, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a single video. Bye!